Hi there, students. Keyed up, a phrasal adjective. To key up, a phrasal noun. If you're keyed up, you're excited, nervous or anxious about something. She was keyed up because it was an important meeting. You're too keyed up, just try to relax. Students are normally very keyed up when they are speaking English, and if they can relax, it makes it a lot easier. The thought of Christmas and presents and all of the things associated with it keyed the kids up. Keyed up in a state of nervous excitement. He looked calm, but inside he was all keyed up and nervous. After such an exciting day, I was too keyed up to sleep. I'm all keyed up about my upcoming holiday to India. So if you're keyed up, you're nervous because something important is about to happen. Most commonly, it's used as this phrasal adjective, keyed up, but you can use it as the verb to key someone up. The competitors were all keyed up before the big race. If I drink too much coffee, I get keyed up. The excitement of the film premiere keyed her up. So this is how you feel before an important event or something that is important to you. He was all keyed up about the idea of going on a date with her. The idea of it was keying him up. Notice, very often we use all with this phrase, all keyed up. Just all meaning very, very excited. I'm all keyed up about this. They're all keyed up about the king's visit. You seem all keyed up. Just chill out. So the most common usage to be I am all keyed up about something else. Notice as well the arrow pointing upwards on your keyboard, the one on the movement pad, not the capital one, is the key up, is key up. So key up, move your line up. So next question, formality. I think I'd probably give this something like a 4 in formality. Maybe a little bit more formal, anxious, nervous, excited. Notice as well, it's a regular verb. It keyed me up to think about tomorrow. This prize has keyed me up a lot. Notice with the usage, it is a separable phrasal verb. It keyed Alex up. It keyed him up, but not it keyed up him, so it's separable. This noun or the him needs to go between the key and the up. And then what about the origin? Well, with this, I always think of a wind-up toy or a mechanism, a clock mechanism. You wind up a clock. So if a clock is keyed up, is wound up, then it's under tension, it's under stress. And I think this is like the phrasal verb to wind up, to wind somebody up. This is a wind up. Okay, so keyed up, excited or nervous because something important to you is going to happen. And then as a verb to key up, to make excited or nervous. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Key up.